report from our senior crime reporter Malik Mohammad Imran.
The Lahore police are continuing intelligence-based operation against criminal element in the provincial capital. According to the details, the Dolphin Squad in the Raiwind area promptly arrested a sexual predator caught in act of assaulting a 10-year-old boy. The accused Irshad was committing sexual assault on a child in a private quarter in Raiwind. Crime investigation revealed that the accused had blackmailed 10-year-old boy and had sexually abused him multiple times. Additionally, 2 alcohol dealers were apprehended in the Al Mahal and Gwalmandi areas with 25 liters of alcohol recovered from them. DIG Operation Faisal Kamran stated that Lahore police needs public support to eradicate and sort of drugs. Strict monitoring is being conducted regarding anti-drugs trafficking efforts. The Mustafabad police acting on a tip of caught 3 drug dealers, including 2 women, in the act of supplying drugs. 2.5 kg of hashish and 200 grams of heroin were recovered from suspects, who were identified as Ghulam Mohyuddin, Shehnaz and Samia. The Gujarpura police arrested a drug dealer named Rafiq, seizing 1400 grams of hashish from his possession.